Welcome everybody to our very first unboxing video.
We are about to unbox the new Canon G7X Mark III.
Mark III. Hey Blondie, what's up? Ooh, there's somebody at the door. Let's check. You know, I think it might be Zena.
Special delivery!
Oh, cool! It's not a stranger. Come on in. This looks like something we've been waiting for. Ooh. She's Zena.
He's Mike.
And together we're Team Zike. Be sure to subscribe, click our notification bell, ding ding, give us a thumbs up, just like that, and you can comment and share. We love the interaction. Thank you everybody. We haven't delved into a Canon at all before, so this will be our first experience with it, but we're gonna show you what's in the box. Future vlogs will feature footage from this camera, unless anything super weird goes wrong in the future.
Let's get down to business.
Trusty, dusty box cutter in hand.
It's like opening a Christmas present in July. Oh no, it's August.
Whoops.
Can't use that joke.
Today is the first official day here in the US of the release of the G7X Mark III, and we are aware after much research beforehand with the Mark II and with some of the other cameras out there of the pros and cons of this particular camera. We decided to give this one a go, and so right out of the box, there it is, Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III.
Open this bad boy up.
Regular retail price $749 or $749.99.
Okay, we've got some warranty info. The getting started guide, and the registration information. All right, here we go. We've got battery pack.
And this is, as with the previous generation of the G7X Mark II, it's the NBL13 battery, so that continues. And there are some aftermarket batteries on the market that you can purchase that hopefully will continue working with these too, that you might consider.
A handy dandy battery charger.
The battery charger.
Oops. Wrist strap.
Wrist strap. We'll be taking that out in a moment as well.
And now, the moment you've been all waiting for.
And what is that? Oh, the camera itself.
Ta-da! Ay, ay, ay.
Now there are two options in coloration for this. This go round there is the solid black one, and then there's also the black and silvery one. We got the one with the silver accents. We feel that it looks more old school. We like that.
This too can be yours.
If the price is right. Now we also chose to go through Best Buy for the additional accidental warranty protection and being able to take it back to the store. Let's take a good look at it. Everything looks to be intact. Looks to be nice and shiny and smooth.
So shiny.
Free of defects. That's what we're looking for.
There's the back.
It's a good looking camera, and we really like the pocketability of this one. It's easy to just be able to slip into a pocket, say cargo shorts, which I love. This one is very similar to the previous generation Mark II as well. Just some slight design differences. This one does have the external mic hookup, which should be on this side of the camera right here. And there's the compartment. There we go.
Ta-da! And the flash.
And the pop-up flash, which I triggered also. And so there you do see the microphone jack for the standard 3.5mm microphones. It does not have a hot shoe or a cold shoe on it, so there are some microphones on the market that we've explored and have used a little bit with our phones and such that do not require any kind of shoe. It's just a tiny microphone. There are a few different models of that, and we're looking to experiment with that on this camera. for the time being. And that will make it increasingly portable as far as microphones are concerned. Let's take the strap out of the bag as well. Voila, nylon strap. Standard strap. And we're also going to take the battery out of the case. Oh, it's upside down, but it doesn't really matter. It doesn't.
The back wasn't upside down.
And so there you have it, folks. You have the camera, the charger, the strap,
the battery.
Zena is currently demonstrating the articulating screen, which is a touch screen as in the previous model, and it flips up 180 degrees as previously, and swivels down as well and locks back into place there. Voila. Thank you, Zena. So there we have it, everybody. Thank you for joining us for our first unboxing video, and we're very excited about the Canon G7X Mark III. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to watch these future videos coming out with this camera. Click our notification bell. Give us a thumbs up as Zena just did. Be sure to comment because we love your interaction, and definitely share our videos too.
And remember, be kind, rewind.
Except in Nebraska.